Hey, 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 hey. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, 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 welcome. Mike Misguided here, doing a unboxing, unbagging, however you want to look at it, of August Uncommon Tea. So, got this. I ordered it like a week ago. Initial thoughts, I'm a little disappointed with the packaging. I was really hoping for something a little bit different. When I just get it in a bag like this, I'm kind of disappointed. So I never know how to react. But we're going to open it up and see what's going on. I don't remember what I ordered. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Yay. So I ordered a bunch of smaller samples. And I think this one, the civil disobedience, was like a trial or something. I'm sorry, I don't remember. But yeah, civil disobedience. It's a smoky cardamom tea. I love cardamom. And I do like bourbon, so I thought the smokiness of bourbon with the carbon and a black tea sounded really freaking good. I like the packaging of this stuff. Very nice. Scan the code. Looks really good. On the back side, it does have brewing instructions for hot and ice. I like that. Hmm. Ooh, okay. A chocolate nutmeg rooibos. Excited about that. Nutmeg, I don't necessarily hate. I'm not a huge lover of it though either. So yay, I'm gonna try that out. Ooh, Low Country black tea with bourbon and burnt sugar notes. That sounds yummy. I can't wait to try that one. Now, okay, hazelnut chocolate black tea. I like the idea. I like the idea here. I'm kind of curious why some of them are pink on the bottom and other ones are not. I don't know if that's maybe a marketing thing for campaigns or what, but this is a black tea. This is a black tea, so it's not that, but whatever. We'll figure it out eventually, maybe, possibly. Who knows? Painted Desert. Hmm. Crisp black tea with chili and chocolate. This one's a little bit adventurous for me, just because of the chili. Hopefully, it's a mild chili. It tastes like dried chili, Mexican cinnamon, and cacao. Okay. I was not aware of the cinnamon aspect of it, but whatever. And it feels like soft, warm mahogany. Sounds good. So, hopefully, I'll enjoy this. I'm excited. Mood Indigo, smoky orange black or vanilla black tea. That sounds delicious. There's definitely a smoky theme going on when I ordered this. Hot and cold instructions. I wonder if that makes a difference. Okay, maybe, but then I don't know what the purple would be because that's hot and cold too. I don't know. Maybe I could ask him. All right, and Golden Arrow, an elegant black tea with smoky burnt toffee notes. Okay, again, smoke going on, but I do love toffee. Oh, I love to make toffee too. I do. I was just thinking about making toffee today. Hmm. So mahogany, walnut, burnt sugar taste. I say we try some. Let's get it going on, hey? Which one do I want to try though? I don't know. Oh my gosh. So, I was just looking at ordering some other tea today, and I definitely want to get a tea that has cardamom in it, and it's in my basket. So, I'm also thinking about doing a tea advent calendar. That'll be fun. Or at least I think it would be. I don't want hazelnuts, smoky orange. No, no. What? No, I think choices. I tell you. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this golden arrow. I'm excited for that. So let's get going. All right, let's give her. Oh, wow, these are well sealed. There we go. The old sniffer test. Okay, that is smoky. Get a little bit of the toffee. This smoke is much more depth than some of the other smoky teas I've had, so I'm excited about that. All right, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes. So we got this steeped. I am just going to let this flow. Recommended 4 to 5 minutes of infusing. Longer is stronger, of course. So, three different types of black tea combined together for flavoring to make this wonderful tea, I hope. Ooh, yes. You can definitely taste the smokiness. Or smell the smokiness, not taste. I'm hoping to taste it. Can get some subtle hints of the burnt toffee. Now, of course, I am trying this without any sweetener, no cream, just as it was intended. Ooh, okay. I'm definitely getting that burnt toffee taste at first. And that smokiness is a very nice, subtle back throat thought. Not my favorite tea ever, but I really like it. I do like it. I'm excited to try some of the other ones. I'm thinking, if anything quality wise is as good as this, I'm going to be really excited with this tea selection that I have. I'm definitely looking forward to tasting my cardamom one though. But yeah, definitely I like. Just not my 100% favorite. But yeah, that's my review of this Golden Arrow August tea. Have a great one. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.